how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. Then if you want to check if someone blocked you on Instagram or not, then find the account or go to the inbox. And in here, if you want to know if someone have blocked you or not, then tap on the person's inbox, and then you can't see your messages have been seen or not. There's also other ways to find out if he had blocked you or not. Just tap on view profile, and in here you can't view to this person's account, as well as you can't see his profile picture or his follower or following list. Now let's go back, and if you want to tag the person in your story or in your post, you can't also do it because you have been already blocked by this person. So this is how you can know if someone blocked you on Instagram or not. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.